Succulents are plants that keep water in their leaves and or stems in order to make it through in arid climates or dry soil. Common kinds of succulents include cacti, echeveria, aloe, haworthia, toys, sempervivum, sedum, ZZ plants, snake plants, jade plants, and more. The amount of light that succulents require ranges dramatically depending on species. Some succulents, like ZZ plants and snake plants, can grow in low light conditions, while others such as cacti and some desert plants need numerous hours of intense, direct sunshine every day. Recognizing the type of succulent that you have is important for determining the amount of light it requires. Direct light methods that the sun's rays are landing directly on your plant through the window. Succulents that require direct light should be located in front of a west-facing or south window, preferably getting about 6 to 7 hours of sunshine every day, although this can vary depending upon your range. Succulents that require direct sunlight consist of desert cacti, echeveria, sempervivum, jade, aloe, ionium, senecio, agave, sedum, hoya, and more. It is very important to keep in mind that direct sunlight indoors is not as strong as direct sunshine outdoors, because it is still being filtered through a window. If you plan to move your indoor succulents outdoors for any period of time, since the drastic modification in sun direct exposure can burn the leaves of your plant, this just truly matters. Ensure to move the plants into outside direct sunlight slowly, starting with mainly indirect light outdoors for a couple of weeks. Keeping low-light succulents delighted is normally much simpler than keeping high-light succulents delighted when it comes to growing succulents inside your home. Using grow lights for succulents that need lots of direct light is an excellent method to keep them healthy inside your home if your space is lacking in natural light. Want to know how to take care of your succulents? Please visit A Succulent.